how to enable offline mode in Ubisoft Connect app. Now, this process or steps that I'm going to be showing you is going to be very straightforward and effective. So all you have to do at first is just to go into your Windows icon and just simply type in run. Now hit on enter, and then in here just simply type in percentage local app data and then percentage sign. Click on OK. Now you'll be redirected to all of your local files that you have from your drive or from your PC. Just simply locate the Ubisoft folder. Now in your Ubisoft folder, you should be able to see file, a notepad file that is actually titled as settings.yaml. Just simply open it up and then just use the Control F key on your keyboard to automatically find offline. Now, offline is usually indicated as false because that is currently set as default. All you have to do is instead of false, just simply change it into true and make sure to save files and change the file option into read only. Now, just simply rerun and relaunch your Ubisoft Connect and you're good to go. And that is how you go on offline mode with Ubisoft Connect app.